How to set up Nord on Western Digital MyCloud. Setting up NordVPN on a Western Digital MyCloud device involves enabling SSH access, downloading OpenVPN configuration files, and running the OpenVPN client. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prerequisites *** a NordVPN account *** a Western Digital MyCloud device *** a computer with an SSH client, example PUTTY, Bitwise, steps *1. Enable SSH access on your MyCloud device *** A. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your MyCloud device. B. Log into the MyCloud dashboard using your administrator credentials. C. Navigate to Settings Network. D. Under Network Services, enable SSH. E. Click Apply to save the changes. 2. Download OpenVPN configuration files *** A. Log into your NordVPN account. B. Go to My Account Downloads. C. Under OpenVPN, select the desired country and server group. D. Click Download. E. Extract the downloaded .zip file and save the .o files to a location on your computer. 3. Connect to your MyCloud device via SSH *** A. Open your SSH client on your computer, such as Bitwise SSH client if you are on Windows. B. Enter the IP address of your MyCloud device in the host field. C. Enter your MyCloud administrator username and password when prompted. 4. Upload OpenVPN configuration files to your MyCloud device *** A. In the SSH terminal, use the scp command to transfer the .o files from your computer to the MyCloud device. B. For example, to transfer the file **ca1.o from your computer to the /tmp directory on your MyCloud device, use the following command, scp **ca1.o root at mycloud/tmpc. Replace **ca1.o with the actual file name of the .o file you want to transfer. 5. Run OpenVPN client *** A. In the SSH terminal, navigate to the /tmp directory on your MyCloud device, cd/tmpb. Run the OpenVPN client using the following command, open.o. C. Enter your NordVPN service username and password when prompted. Once the OpenVPN client is running, your MyCloud device will be connected to NordVPN. You can verify your connection status by checking your NordVPN account dashboard or by visiting a website that displays your IP address.